Today in AI, League Loom an MCP server for +5 more stories that actually matter. No fluff, no filler. Here's exactly what happened and why it matters. League Loom is a free connector for fantasy sports leagues in AI tools. The connector works with ESPN, Sleeper, and Fantrax leagues, bringing live data into Claude and ChatGPT. League Loom supports football, basketball, baseball, and hockey leagues across these platforms. This connector affects fantasy sports team managers who use Claude, ChatGPT, or other MCP tools. It matters to these managers because they can ask questions and get answers spanning all their leagues. Story 2. Researchers introduced the parameter-efficient hybrid transformer framework for network traffic prediction. The framework incorporates low-rank adaptation into the transformer encoder to reduce parameters. Experiments were conducted on the Telecom Italia Milan dataset and synthetic congestion scenarios. This affects network operators and urban planners who manage dynamic cellular networks. It matters because operators can use PEHT to improve traffic forecasting and allocate resources efficiently. Story 3. Google introduced the Paper Assistant tool for scientific review automation. The Paper Assistant tool achieves a 34% improvement over zero-shot recall on mathematical errors. PAT was deployed at 2 major computer science conferences, SDOC and ICML, as a pre-submission tool. Authors at these conferences can use PAT to identify critical errors and suggest improvements. By using PAT, authors can ease the cognitive burden on referees and improve research paper quality. Story 4. Xenoeye is a lightweight NetFlow/IPFix/SFlow collector and analyzer. The collector has 137 stars on GitHub and 4 forks. Xenoeye uses monitoring objects for different user groups and reports. This collector is for medium and large networks with various user groups. Network operators can use Xenoeye to monitor traffic patterns and react to spikes. Story 5. Researchers propose DexCompose, a framework for reusing dexterous policies. DexCompose achieves a 77.4% average composite success rate on tasks. The framework evaluates 16 composite dexterous manipulation tasks in total. DexCompose affects builders of multitask manipulation systems with a single hand. It matters to them because DexCompose enables more efficient task composition and execution. Story 6. Core is a governance runtime for autonomous AI systems that enforces constitutional rules. The repository contains 2016 commits and is available on GitHub for installation. Darius Nowicki is the creator of the Core repository on GitHub with 37 stars. Core affects AI-assisted software development environments where action traceability is required. Builders can install Core using Install Core. SH and run the consequence chain demo to see its governance. Tomorrow, we break down the next AI moves that matter for builders. Subscribe so you don't miss.